Hello students, today we are going to solve exercise 2.4 question number 4 onwards. Let us take the question. The question is one of the two digits of the two-digit number is 3 times the other digit. If you interchange the digits of this two-digit number and add the resulting number to the original number, you get 88. What is the original number? In the previous question also, we have learned how to write a two-digit number. A two-digit number is equal to 10 multiplied by tens digit plus units digit. This is the form of a two-digit number. Now, in the question it is given that one of the digit of a two-digit number is 3 times the other digit. So, we can take units digit of the two-digit number as A. So, tens digit we can take as 3 times of units digit, that is 3A. Now, so original two-digit number can be written as 10 multiplied by tens digit plus units digit, that is equal to 10 multiplied by tens digit is 3A plus units digit is A. So 10 multiplied by 3A, 30A plus A equal to 31A. Now, interchanging the digits. So units digit will be 3A and tens digit will be A. So the new two-digit number or the number I got by exchanging the digits equal to 10 multiplied by the tens digit is A plus units digit is 3A. That is 10 multiplied by A, 10A plus 3A equal to 13A. Now in the question it is given that original number and new number, their sum is 88. That is original number plus new number equal to 88. We know that what is the original number? Original number is 31A. The new number we got by exchanging is 13A. So 31A plus 13A equal to 88. Adding, we will get 44A equal to 31A plus 13A, 44. 44A equal to 88. Therefore, A is equal to 88 divided by 44, that is equal to 2. So we have got the value of A as 2. Therefore, units digit equal to A equal to 2. Tens digit equal to 3A equal to 3 multiplied by 2 equal to 6. Therefore, the two-digit number equal to 62. 6 is the tens digit and 2 is the units digit. Here, if we take units digit as tens digit as A and units digit as 3A, the number will be just opposite of that number, that is 26. So the final answer, the two-digit number will be 62 or 26. Now let us move to the next question. Shobo's mother's percentage is 6 times Shobo's percentage. Shobo's age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of his mother's percentage. What are their ages? That is, Shobo's mother's age is 6 times Shobo's percentage. So we can take Shobo's percentage be X years. So what will be his mother's age? Mother's percentage will be 6 times of Shobo's age, that is equal to 6x years. Now, next step it is given Shobo's age from 5 years from now, that is equal to, that is from now 5 years means we have to add 5 with the percentage, that is x plus 5 years. Now, by data, it is given that Shobo's age 5 years from now is equal to 1/3 of his mother's percentage. That is, Shobo's age 5 years from now equal to x plus 5 is equal to 1/3 of mother's age. So 1/3 multiplied by mother's age is 6x. So x plus left side equal to x plus 5 equal to 1 by 3 multiplied by 6x, you will get 2x. So x plus 5 equal to 2x. Now taking 2x from RHS to LHS, x minus 2x equal to 5 shifting to RHS minus 5. So x minus 2x will be minus x equal to RHS is minus 5. Therefore, x is equal to 5. Therefore, we can write Shobo's present age equal to x, that is equal to 5 years. Shobo's mother's present age equal to 6x, that is equal to 6 multiplied by 5 equal to 30 years. Now, let us take the next question. There is a narrow rectangular plot reserved for a school in Mahuli village. The length and breadth of the plot are in the ratio 11:4. At the rate of rupees 100 per meter, it will cost the village panchayat at rupees 75,000 to fence the plot. What are the dimensions of the plot? That is, there is a rectangular plot given. Its length and breadth are in the ratio 11:4. So we can take length as 11x and breadth as 4x. It is given that ratio of length and breadth of the plot equal to 11x. So we can take length of the plot as 11x meter and breadth of the plot as 4x meter. Now it is given, so we can take L equal to short 11x and B equal to 4x. The cost of the boundary is given. At the rate of rupees 100 per meter, it will cost the village panchayat at rupees 75,000 to fence the plot. So fencing means we have to make the boundary, and boundary means we have to find the perimeter. So actually we have to find the perimeter of the rectangular plot. So for that it is given total cost of fencing the plot is rupees 75,000. Cost of fencing 1 meter is rupees 100. Therefore, if you divide the total cost by cost of fencing 1 meter, you will get the perimeter of the plot. So total perimeter to be fenced equal to 75,000 divided by 100 equal to 750 meter. That is, perimeter of the rectangular plot equal to 750 meter. And we know the formula for finding perimeter of rectangle, that is 2 multiplied by L plus B equal to 750. That is twice the sum of length and breadth will give you the perimeter. So substituting the values, 2 multiplied by length is 11x plus breadth is 4x is equal to 750. Adding inside the bracket, 2 multiplied by 11x plus 4x is 15x is equal to 750. 2 multiplied by 15x will give you 30x. So 30x equal to 750. Therefore, x is equal to 750 divided by 30 equal to 25. Therefore, length of the plot equal to 11x equal to 11 multiplied by 25 equal to 275 meter. Breadth of the plot equal to 4x equal to 4 multiplied by 25, that is equal to 100 meter. So we are concluding today's session. The remaining we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.